I ṣe testimony tí n bá ra Porsche. Tí n bá ra Porsche. Ra Porsche. I ṣe testimony tí n bá ra Porsche. Mo máa lọ London, mo máa wá Porsche, mo máa wọ Gucci tí n bá lọ.
Hey guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I slick down my really short natural hair. I posted this picture on Instagram and I had a lot of people like DMing me and just asking me in general like how I was able to slick down my hair. Before getting this right, let me just say that I have tried a million times to try and slick down my hair, and I find that the best way to do this on very short hairs, on kind of like blown out hair, or just hair that you've combed out generally, because here my hair isn't even blown out at all. My hair has really grown quite a bit, so it's actually way longer than this. But all I did was I washed my hair, I put in conditioner, oil, all of that stuff, and then I just combed it out so my curls weren't there to like interfere, because I feel like when I left my hair really like curly and wet, then when I was trying to put the gel and slick it down, all the curls wanted to do was just come up. So I feel like it's better to start on like stretched hair, or at least blown out hair. So now all I'm going to be doing is adding gel, and you guys, if you don't like gel, please, I'll just advise that you click out of this video right now, because you need a lot of gel to get your hair to slick down, especially because it's so short and on its own it doesn't want to slick down, it wants to stand up. So you need even more gel to kind of get this slick down. And another thing I've found that works better is using a fine-tooth comb instead of a brush, or maybe a Denman brush, because that kind of goes through all of your hair at once as well. But using those bristle brushes don't really work for my hair type, so yeah, I'm just going to be using a fine-tooth comb. And as you can see, I'm kind of sticking my hair down in sections, just like I would with my hair when it was a bit longer. If you've seen my slick down style on my longer hair, then you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm just trying to like go in sections, and then I'm just going in with the comb when I'm done to just slick down the hair. And that's pretty much all I do, you guys. This style is very easy to do. For the sake of this video, I actually couldn't tie my hair overnight, but I'd advise that if you did this style, you should definitely wrap and tie your hair tightly overnight. That way the curls and the waves will be like in place by the time you take it off. So I've worked my way all the way to the top of my hair now, and I just want to say that I really like the way the part was looking here, but like my overzabi self, I went and I made the part a bit more curved, and I don't really like the way it fit my head shape. But I love the part right here, like the way it looks right here is exactly how I would have wanted it. But yeah, you guys definitely play around with your hair, like check what part works for you, like style your hair in different ways. You can part it on the left, on the right, just try to see what works for your head shape. And then here I was just trying to make some like curves in front to kind of make it look like finger waves. Not really sure how that worked, because my hair is so curly that when I was done it just wanted to curl up in front. Like, it's really hilarious. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like when it's all slicked down. As you can see, my hair is flat. If I had tried to do this on my hair like curly, like fresh out of the shower, then it would have not worked at all. Trust me, like my hair would have been rolling up in several parts of my hair. So after that, I decided to put a weave cap on, or a wig cap on, and I feel like that was the first mistake I made, because I never did that before, but I just wanted to try for the sake of this video. I thought it would act like a wave cap, and then I just tied up my hair. And then when I took off the scarf, that was when I realized that, yo, I shouldn't have put this shit on my head. But anyways, I went ahead and I fixed it. So I took off the wig cap. As you can see though, the rest of my hair is laid like flat. It was just the front, like trying to take it off, it kind of messed it up. I just went ahead and redid my edges, and I tied it down for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes and just waited on my phone, you know, regular stuff. And when I took it off, you guys, look at how cute I look. Like, this style is super chic. I love it. And yeah, that's basically a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. If you have any video suggestions, let me know as well, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.